Assalamualaikum. I'm Ishrat Mobina, and this is my husband Ahmed Imran. We are from Maldives. I actually had a problem with my leg, so we consulted Maldives, and they didn't come for a conclusion what was happening. So my one of my cousin, he suggested a Manipal hospital. So we came here, and he referred us to Lokesh sir. After the examination, I came to know that my hip was the problem. So first, at that time I was pregnant, so we did hip decompression first. So we went back to Maldives, and after the delivery again I came here for hip replacement.
Mrs. Ishrat came to us a few months ago, and a young lady from Maldives, and she has severe bilateral hip pain both sides, and on X-ray and scans we found that she has severe osteoarthritis, that is wear and tear of the hip joint, secondary to a condition called AVN. AVN means avascular necrosis, where the blood circulation to the hip joint is affected, and the hip joints gets damaged and osteoarthritic or worn out. Anyway, this patient underwent bilateral hip joint robotic replacement.
So I have done the hip replacement now, bilateral hip replacement, and now I feel much better, and I appreciate the work that Mr. Lokesh and his team has done, and I am feeling very well now. I can walk well.
So we are very happy that this patient is doing well, and she walked well, and she was with us for a few days, and then did rehab, staying in Bangalore for a couple of weeks, and then she is planning to go back to Maldives. And it's happy to see the patient is doing very well, no pain, symptom free, comfortable, doing her daily chores.
Dr. Lokesh is a very good doctor. He explained everything and how to do after the surgery, also what are the things we have to do and what are the physios, what we have to do, everything he explained very well.
Actually, this Manipal hospital is a very good hospital. If you have any health issue, I recommend you to come to Manipal hospital. Thank you.